Yvette. Welcome back to my channel. If you have not already subscribed, please go ahead and click that button and do so. We're trying to get those subscribers up. As you can tell by the title of this video, I am in full Coachella mode. I got my tickets today for 2018 Coachella. I am so freaking excited about this. I've never been to a festival before, and I haven't been to a concert since 2016. So this is about to be everything for me. This is like Woodstock back in the 60s, okay? Or was it the 70s? Well, whenever Woodstock was, that's what this is gonna feel like this year. I wanted to share this with you guys because I do plan on vlogging while I'm in Coachella, and I also plan on doing some other videos related to Coachella as far as me preparing and getting ready for it. So I thought, let's get started by showing the tickets and unboxing the tickets. The tickets came in the mail yesterday. While I was at work, I was able to check and see what mail I got that day. I checked the tracking of the tickets because I knew they were on the way, and I saw that they came yesterday, but I left and went to work without even checking my mail. So this morning I got the tickets. So I started to open the package, and I thought, why don't I just make a video of me unboxing it and you guys can get my natural reaction of me getting my Coachella ticket. So as you all know, Beyonce is performing this year. I'm not gonna even lie and act like I'm really there for everybody else. I do plan on seeing a lot of the other artists. I'm excited about that, but I am here for Queen B, okay? So last year, Beyonce was supposed to be a headliner at Coachella, but of course everyone knows she had Rumi and Sir Carter, and she was pregnant at the time. So she was not able to perform, and she moved it back to 2018. I was very excited when I heard about that because I was determined to get tickets. I knew I was going to get tickets this year. So I ordered my tickets through the pre-order that happened back in June. And when you do that, you actually are able to pay off on a payment plan, which was awesome. My tickets altogether were a little bit over $800. I think it may have been like $850, something like that. I bought 2 tickets, one for me, one for my boyfriend, because you know, I'm the best girlfriend ever. I was able to pay for the tickets over a 6-month span. I just finished paying them off in December, and they're finally here. We are actually going to be car camping. I've never camped before either, so this is going to be a lot of firsts happening when I go to this festival. So yeah, that's going to be experience because I've never done that before. I actually would prefer to stay in a hotel, but the hotels were crazy expensive, and I just thought, why not enjoy the full experience of Coachella and camp and be able to enjoy all of the festivities that go on the campgrounds. So yeah, we're car camping. It should be interesting, but I think it'll be a lot of fun. So we're actually going to Coachella weekend 1. We have a couple of friends who are going as well, who we will be trying to camp with, and I think that will make the experience a lot better as well because we'll have people there who've been to festivals and who've camped before, who are experienced and can help us out. As far as the lineup, Friday, April 13th, The Weeknd is going to be headlining. SZA is going to be there. Vince Staples will be there. Oh my gosh, so many other people. Belly, Daniel Caesar. I think I'm most excited about seeing Beyonce, Daniel Caesar, and SZA and the Migos, because you know, ATL represent. Kalila will also be performing. Saturday, April 14th, of course, Queen B is headlining, and that in itself is going to be everything. I don't think I'm going to be the same after I see Beyonce perform. This is my first time ever seeing her perform. I never saw Destiny's Child perform. I've never seen any of her other concerts, so this is the very first time, and it just seems so surreal to me that it's going to be at Coachella. Like, oh my gosh. I've been a fan of Destiny's Child since I was 9 years old, so this is like, what, 96? Or something, 96, 97 when they first came out with No No No. So I would say I'm just a Destiny's Child fan overall. I have all of their CDs. I had posters on my wall. I had the Beyonce doll when they came out with it. So I'm a fan of every single one of them. But you know, Beyonce is the star. She's always been the biggest star, and she has just been consistent with her music. She's always representing Black women to the fullest from day one. She's always been about making men get their shit together, and I love that. And I just really love how she's grown up and how she has shown us how to be a good woman, how to stand your ground, how to run your career, and I could just go on and on for days and days about Beyonce and why I love her so much. Tyler, the Creator, is going to be performing, Post Malone, Georgia Smith. I've heard a lot about her. Chloe and Halle, of course, I love them on Grownish. I love their music. They're great performers. And one of the girls from Chloe and Halle, she sounds a lot like Beyonce, Destiny's Child era, like when Beyonce first came out and she was still doing the Southern church runs that I love so much, you know, the all that. That's what one of the girls from Chloe and Halle sounds like, the older sister. Sorry, I don't know her name, but she sounds just like a young Beyonce. So Sunday, April 15th, Eminem is headlining, and I'm really excited about seeing Eminem too. I've been listening to Eminem since 1998 when he first came out. He's had some great songs that I really relate to. He's an awesome rapper, so that's gonna be dope too to see Eminem in concert. Migos, you know, I lived in Atlanta for a really long time. Atlanta is like my adopted hometown because I am an Army brat and I lived so many places. So Atlanta rap, Atlanta music in general is pretty much my favorite outside of R&B music. So I'm so excited to see the Migos, just to see where they came from Trapped Out to Bando, from them just being an Atlanta group that was homegrown and we would listen to them and it was the mixtapes, to them now being a worldwide group. It's awesome to see. I'm really excited to see them. Cardi B is gonna be there, of course. I love Cardi B. Miguel. I feel like Miguel's set is going to be life-changing as well, because Miguel is one of those artists who, he has a lot of symbolism in his music that I really relate to, and it's a vibe. It makes you feel something. Black is gonna be there. Y'all know who Black is with the 6 instead of the B. Yeah, y'all know him. He's gonna be there as well. I would like to see him because I think he's from Atlanta. Kamaya, Jadena, these are some of the people I want to see on Sunday. I just can't wait. We're actually going to go up there on Thursday so we can get a spot and hopefully camp with the people that we know and have the experience Thursday night, just chilling, camping, having a good time, and then the festival actually starts on Friday. So it's really a Thursday to Sunday experience that we will both be taking off Monday because we're gonna need that day off. I've been watching a lot of videos about different things that you can expect from Coachella, and also just advice and tips on how to car camp, and I've been getting a lot of help, so I want to try to share that with these videos I'm making about Coachella for other people who may be planning on going to Coachella and people who may eventually go there next year. So as you can see, I'm in full Coachella vibe. You know, I got my glasses, I got the headpiece on, you know, off the shoulders. My hair is very ethereal. I feel the vibes, you know. We have officially 7 weeks. We have 7 weeks until Coachella. I'm trying to get it together. That's why I'm on this diet and this cleanse, because I'm trying to lose some pounds, because I want to look good, honey. I want to be serving looks. I want to be taking a whole bunch of pictures. It's going to be lit. So now, for the moment we've all been waiting for, let's go ahead and unbox this package. All right, so guys, it came like this. Just standard packaging. And struggling. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I hope you guys can see that. Oh, Coachella. So it comes in this box and we're gonna open it up. Oh my gosh. And here we have the 2 wristbands. I think this is a bumper sticker. Probably can't even really see this, but yeah. There we go. Somewhat. Yeah. So I'm not sure what that is. But here is the official welcome guide. It just has a lot of different information. Oh, and here we go. Here's the lineup. It tells you who will be performing, like Beyonce. Beyonce. Oh man, and then it tells you a lot about what to expect as far as different, I don't know, these are art figures, and there's art, there's an app, how to be interactive, and oh, they give you some packing tips, which is great, and the rules for the concert, because there are a lot of rules. Transportation and parking, and yeah, so So yeah, the official guide. This is pretty cool. I will be taking this to work because I'll be looking at this while I'm at work. I'm not even gonna lie. Oh, and the last thing is you get this puzzle. Oh, how cool. How cool is that? This is really cute. This came in a really nice package. Again, here's my wristbands, or our wristbands. I'm so stoked and so excited for this, guys. I believe I'm supposed to be getting some sort of decal or sticker. Something indicated that I will be doing the car camping. That's actually still on its way. I won't do a separate video about that because I'm pretty sure it's nothing special, just a sticker or something, but I wanted to do this unboxing of the tickets because I am so freaking excited. If you haven't gotten your tickets already, I think that everything is sold out. I'm pretty sure some people will be selling some tickets on StubHub and things like that. If you do plan on buying from those third-party websites, please be careful and make sure that you're not getting scammed, because I know people will try it with you for these tickets. And if you haven't gotten it, you know, sorry, you can relive through me, through my vlogs. I'm gonna try to show as much as I can so you can feel like you're there and enjoying the experience with me. All right, guys, so that's it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, if you've been to Coachella before and you have any tips or advice you can give me for car camping, please leave them down below, because when I tell you I need all the advice I can get, okay? I'm a little nervous about this, but we're gonna rock it out for you, Queen Bee, just for you. So, so please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, stay fly.